what's up YouTube? We're here at the 77th annual Nevada State Shoot. The trap shooters from around the country have come here to Las Vegas. Let's see what happens.
And the FCC has not found us yet. We keep moving our studio, so you got us again for another week this year. To get us started here on the right track for day one, I'm going to hand it over to John Slinker.
Good morning, shooters. Thank you very much for being here at the 77th Nevada State Shoot. We are honored to...
Alright, so yesterday's results. My score was for singles, I shot a 25, 23, 25, and 20 for a 93. So that was good for this award. So in handicap, I shot first box was a 23, then a 24, 21, 23, for a 91. And that gave me the trophy for yardage group. So, but not bad so far.
Today we have the dial-in double presented by Trapshooting USA. It won't fit on the t-shirt, man.
All right, moving on. Just want to let you know.
Today we've got a 200 bird day for you. Event 7 is our Vice President Doubles. That is brought to you by Wang and the Vegas Market Source Realty team. And followed up by the Director's Handicap, brought to you by the Shot Tracker. Now, special thing on the Shot Tracker, when you win event number 8, you actually win a Shot Tracker, about $1,000 value. Good morning, everyone, and again, yes, welcome to Thursday, October 30th, here at the 77th Nevada State Shoot. Today's events, we are starting off, it's class day. Class day here.
I never was good at class.
It shows. Alright, so, class, and then event number 10 will be our class singles, and that is brought to you by a long-term supporter of the Nevada State Shoot, Outlaw Engineering. We always appreciate their support.
We're about to start the Nevada State Doubles Championship. So, the next squad down, position 2. I haven't been doing so hot in doubles so far, but I'm hoping to turn that around. This is for a belt buckle, so it means a lot to me. Granted, my performance in doubles doesn't really warrant me believing that I could win a belt buckle, but you know, you gotta believe in yourself, right? So, doubles went not quite as good as I had hoped. I got an 81. Yeah, I hope to do better. I keep missing the second bird. I don't know what it is with that. Anyway, it is now time for the President's Handicap, a 100 bird handicap, the third to last event in the 77th annual Nevada State Shoot. It's been an amazing week. It's been just gorgeous weather. We're getting out the handicap shells.
Is this for the championship here?
Good morning, YouTube. About to start the singles to big event. Belt buckle on the line. I hope to win. So we'll check in again tomorrow morning. See how everything went. Wish me luck, please. And yeah. Hello and good morning. It is the final day of the 77th annual Nevada State Shoot. Only one event left. Nevada State Championship Handicap, the big one. So yesterday went. So yesterday was 200 bird singles, and the first 100, I ran 75 of them, and had one box that was a 22, which gave me a 97. So I was really happy going into the. I felt really great. A little nervous, unfortunately. So I guess I let those nerves get to me because I shot an 18 in one box of yesterday's singles. So out of 200, I had a 184. So that was tough. But I did get, it was my first ever 50 straight, my first ever 75 straight. So I get to get a patch for that later, I guess. And hoping for the best in handicap. Alright. Bullard Remington Nitro Handicap Bouncer Mate 7.5 1235 FPS. Loading up for the final time. Here's shoot. Wish me luck. So I shot a 85 in the Nevada State Handicap Championship. Scores all in the 90s all week. Perhaps I'm fatigued from 9 days of consecutive days of shooting. Something like 1,500 rounds. Let's look on the bright side. That's a pretty great week, if you ask me. Pretty great. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you next time.
Like an RFID card from Hughes Mountain Shooting Range. And if that is your card and you're missing it, see Linda in at the trophies and she will have it.
Okay, now we're doing Lost and Found in the morning show. Great, love that segue. Back to the real stuff. Tonight is, hold on, another special message, guys.
Do we have a birthday today?
You keep stealing my thunder, I'm going to kick you off this show. All right, listen, if you want to embarrass somebody on the morning show, come see Greg or I. We'll do it for you. But this morning, we are going to embarrass one of our sponsors, a supporter of the Nevada State Shooting, Tracy from Excel Shooting Sports.